Hi, I'm Tony Thompson, and today I'm talking about taking screenshots with Windows 10.
Screen snips are just so useful. We can use them to make guides, get notes, hints, cut out images from our screen from anywhere, and remember those tips by making a visual record. We can also capture objects from the web or even from video. The legacy method for Windows has been using the print screen key. Just simply tap it and it copies whatever's on your screen to the clipboard, ready for use. Newer alternatives add extra features and come in the shape of the snipping tool and the screen snip with snip and sketch. The tools have built up over the years many different features, ranging from window and area select right up to sharing via email and even the internet. Having lots of different tools sounds confusing. Microsoft now promotes the screen snip. The snipping tool is a flexible tool to use, but the screen snip takes screen snips to another level. Count how many times I say screen snip and see if you can play along with this tongue twister. Getting the best and simplifying screen snips. Set up the screen snip tool to make it easy for you. First thing to do is to reset the screen print button on your keyboard to use screen snip. We will use the settings menu and open the ease of access keyboard settings. You can do that by pressing the Windows key and then just typing in ease of access keyboard and press enter. Look down the settings for where it says print screen shortcut. And there's a slider where you just say use the print screen button to open screen snipping. And that should be it. But you might need to restart your computer depending on what else you've been doing. Using the screen snip, we're going to use print screen to open the screen snip after we've done that last setting change. Or else you can use Shift, Windows and S. First up, take a full screen snip. Press that print screen. Click the full screen icon on the little bar that turns up at the top of your screen. If you did it by accident, just click the cross to kiss it goodbye. Release the button and the screen snip is added to the clipboard. You should get a notification down in the bottom right hand corner to pop up to say snip saved to the clipboard, but it is there anyway if you just want to use it to paste into any other application. Take a rectangle snip. Is great for highlighting key points on the screen, so we're going to take just a bit of the screen rather than all of it. Choose the rectangular snip icon with the screen snip bar appears. Use the click and drag to drag out an area to grab with the mouse or touchscreen. Release and the screen snip is added to the clipboard. Here I've just dragged out a bit of my web page. The freeform snip is great for irregular shapes or making patterns. Choose the second icon when the bar appears. Use click and drag to draw out an area to grab with the mouse touchscreen. Release and the key snip is added to the clipboard. Here I've got a horse that I've grabbed from our carousel. Your snip is already on the clipboard, but to check it out you can use snip and sketch. In the action center a message should have popped up with a picture. Click it and tap it to open, and that allows you to edit or change or view the snip. But if it doesn't, change some settings. Press the Windows key and type in action settings. There you can see the notification actions and make sure these switches are switched on. Snip and sketch gives you more options. If you need to capture menus on your screen, you might want to use the delayed capture to add 5 or 10 second delays before the screen snip takes place. Likewise, you might want to use annotation and cropping tools to draw notes or arrows over your screen snip. Lastly, you have sharing and saving options to either just put the revised picture back onto the clipboard or save it to your hard drive. Have fun. Use the screen snip tools to keep notes, save on-screen messages and capture anything on screen from movie stills to web content. But please, please, please be mindful of other people's copyright. Thanks for listening.